So I just got this motor to budge by putting a socket on it with the breaker bar. So then I sprayed some WD-40 into the cylinder through the spark plug hole, and it's still tight. And I really had to reef on that to get it to turn. So I'm not sure if this is something major or not. Like I can't even... Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. That's freed up now. Oh, maybe it was something in the cylinder. That WD-40 loosened it up. Alright, I'm going to throw a plug in there and see if it's got compression. Okay, I put a plug in it and it don't got much compression. As you can see, I'm turning it pretty easily just by hand. And if you spin it a bit faster, it builds a bit of compression, but nothing really. Nothing that's sticking around for very long. So I'll take that plug out and try and look at the valves. Okay, well, I've worked at it for a bit with some WD-40 and some carb cleaner, and it's getting better. So I think it is due to just rust on the valves, but there you can see it's got some compression now. There we go. Yeah, it's sticking around too. The more I work the engine over, it gets better and better. And interestingly enough, I also found that the carb was seized up. At least the throttle was. And it's working now. But conveniently enough, a family of spiders had made a nice little nest in there. So I had to get it out with some of this stuff and work it back and forth, free it up. There we go. It sticks if you put it to full throttle. So okay, so the motor is freed up and it's got some compression. So I bolted it back on the tractor. I've stuck a screwdriver in the carb to give it a little bit of throttle. I've got my starter rope wrapped around the pulley on top. So I'll just squirt a bit of gas in the carb and maybe something good will happen. Okay. I'll situate the camera here on my toolbox. Hopefully. You can kind of see it. Okay. Yeah, she's a runner. Well, that's a good sign. Blew a bit of smoke, but been sitting a long time. Alright, well, I'll work on getting that chain hooked up to the rear axle and get the belt and the clutch. Oh yeah, get the clutch working. Oh yeah, the clutch is gone. I'll have to locate that.